Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GoToMeeting cloud conference issues. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To fix GoToMeeting cloud conference issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable for better stability. Open the GoToMeeting application or website and log into your account. Verify the version of the application you are using. If it's outdated, update the app to the latest version. Once updated, restart your device to ensure all changes take effect. Next, check if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance on the GoToMeeting service. Visit the official GoToMeeting status page for real-time updates. If there are no service issues, proceed to clear the application cache. On a Windows device, go to Settings, find Apps, and locate GoToMeeting. Select it and click on Storage, then clear cache. On a Mac, find GoToMeeting in your Applications folder and remove it. After removing, reinstall the application from the official website. If the issue persists, check your audio and video settings. Make sure your microphone and camera are properly connected and not muted. Test your devices in the application settings under Audio and Video. If others cannot hear you, check your operating system's audio settings. Ensure GoToMeeting has the necessary permissions to act. If you're still experiencing issues, try using a different browser for the web version. Sometimes switching from Chrome to Firefox can resolve compatibility issues. You can also try joining the meeting from a different device. If the problem continues, reach out to GoToMeeting support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issues you're facing. They may offer specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. Following these steps should help you resolve common GoToMeeting cloud conference issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.